Hey guys, so today we are gonna discuss one new problem in array. The problem is two sum. Find two sum. Okay. So what we need to do in two sum, you have to given one target element. Okay. Let's say it is 9, and you need to find two indices whose or two element from the array whose sum is equivalent to that target. So we'll do nothing. We'll just iterate array. Okay. Let's say your array is something like 2, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, and your target value is 9. Okay, so you will iterate the array, and then you will create one hash map. Okay, and you will iterate the array. So first one, you will find need. Okay, so what is the needed? If 2 is your element, okay, so what is the another element you would be needed? 9 minus 2, 7, right? If 7 exists there in the array, then this 2 and 7 will be your answer. That's it, right? So currently 9, what would be the need? Need is 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so 7 is not there in array. So what we will do, we will just insert array I, which is 2 comma 0 in hash map. Okay, second is 7. So what will be the need now? 9 minus 7, which is 2. Okay, so 2 is already there in the array. Okay, so you will return this 2 comma 0. Okay, or you can return the index also, which is 0. So you know that one index is 0 and second index is this one where your I is pointing, which is 1. So 0 comma 1, the element which is on 0 comma 1 location is your answer. So by the way, this this solution was for if your array is not sorted. Okay, so what we did, we just created one hash map, okay, of integer comma integer type and then we have iterated the array from I to array length. Okay, and then we find what is the need, target minus array I. We check whether that need contains in the array. If yes, then we will just simply put print map.get need and I indexes value. Otherwise we will put that particular array I and I in map. Okay, now what if array is sorted? If array is sorted, then we will use two pointer approach, which is very simple. Okay, like 1, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is your array. So let me see, let me say that left is pointing to 0 and right is pointing to array length minus 1, which is this one. Okay, if this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so right is pointing to y, 5 and L is pointing to left. Now what you need to do, you just do sum. Okay, sum is equal to array of left plus array of right. So 1 plus 11 is 1 plus 10 is 11. What is your target? Target is your 10. Okay, so it means that target is so your sum is greater than the target. So what you will do, you will decrease the value of right, because your array is sorted, so smaller value is on left hand side and larger value is on right hand side, right? So what you will do, right minus minus, so right will point to this location, 4th. Okay, so now again do the same thing, and you need to run this loop while L is less than right. Okay, left is less than right. So now again, so 1 plus 8, so now sum is will become 9. Okay, so again 9 is less than target. So now what you will do, you will increase the value of left. Okay, so left is pointing to 1 now. Okay, now again 3 plus 8 is 11. Again sum is greater than target. So what you will do, you will decrement the value of right. So now right is pointing to 3. Okay, and left is pointing to 1. So now again new one will be 3 plus 6 is 9, and again you need to increment the value of left because it is lesser than the target. So now left is pointing to this 4. So 4 plus 6 is equivalent to 10, which is your required answer. This is what you required, right? And if left crosses right and you don't need to find the element, so you can say no pair found. That's it. Thank you.